Alright guys, right here at the outset, I'm going to straight up tell you that if you leave this video without watching the whole thing through, you're going to miss out on two things that I'm going to show you here. One, you're going to miss out on how to make $500 to $1,500 per month. And number two, you're going to miss out on the bonus that I have for you towards the end of this video. So don't waste my time and don't waste your time. You're here already. Stick around so that you can get a hold of this and bring some financial freedom into your life. And I'm going to get you started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com. This video right here, guys, makes the 167th video that I have on my channel, bringing nothing but value and ways to make money online to help bring freedom to your life so that you don't have to work a job, or what I like to call it, a just over broke. Alrighty guys, well, if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been here before, and I bring so much value to the table with you guys with all these videos on this channel, or my channel here, that I invite you right now to come down and click that subscribe button down there below this video, and make sure that you click the bell so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here, showing you all kinds of ways to make money and tools to help you make money and give you financial freedom added to your life. Okay? Alrighty guys, well, with that out of the way, let's get started on today's video. It's another website where you can become a tester and test websites for well-known Fortune 500 companies who need your experience and your opinions and your thoughts and ideas and criticisms about their products and services online. Okay? Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, click on the good old Opera browser that I like to use mostly, which I do have Chrome as well too, but I prefer Opera. And we'll come over to this site. This site right here is called UserZoom. Again, just like the past two videos in the last couple of days or so, and there's another one. Now, if you stick around with me through this whole video, and you're going to want to, because I'm going to show you how you can make $500 to $1,500 per month and make this a full-time income for you. And I also have a bonus for you at near the end of this, okay, once I get through showing you about UserZoom here. Alright, so just hang out with me. We'll get to it here in just a little bit. Alright, so UserZoom here, you see it up here in the address bar. It's userzoom.com. Okay, come over here to this website. Now again, they do UX, which means testing insights for better digital experiences for Fortune 500 and big time companies. As you can see down here, some of the companies that they use are Santander, News UK, and everybody knows about Sears, right? The Sears company. And then scroll down here. This front page right here is for companies to come so that they can see this and learn about why they would want to use UserZoom to test out their websites or products, online products, right? And you can see that they can discover and validate and measure their quantify and quality tests that they can measure again on their products to see and get ideas on how to improve their online presence or their products, right? And then so they're asking, they show them lots of different things in here that they tell them that they can do. They can source their tests, find the right users with automated flexible participant sourcing, access 120 million plus participants. That would be you when you sign up here, right? And through UserZoom software, and invite your own and participant sourcing. Capture quantitative and qualitative testing, UX insights and metrics to triangulate your digital experience and make informed decisions. So you can see that these companies come here to this site and they need to find out how they can improve their looks in the operation and the products of their websites and so on and so forth, and they need you to do that with, okay? All right, and then of course they can share that information among their different departments is what this is all about over here. Share, collaborate, and actionable insights across their organization, okay? And then they tell them a little bit, they ask them why would they choose UX testing, and it tells a little bit about that, and so on and so forth. Shows them a little bit of statistics here on how they can get a good return on investment and the benefits to them over a 3-year period here, and a 6-month to get paid back on their investment, and so on and so forth. But that, guys, it tells a little bit about to the companies, but that doesn't help you, right? You're interested in how you can make money with this company, aren't you? Yeah, so am I. All right, so let's go ahead. Another thing too here, I wanted to show you this because I thought this was interesting. Look who uses this website. Look who uses UserZoom here. It's PayPal, right? Everybody knows about PayPal, which, by the way, you're going to sign up here, you need to have a PayPal account. If you don't, go to paypal.com and use an email address, a good email address, and sign up with PayPal so that you can get paid, all right? But nevertheless, PayPal even uses UserZoom here, as well as Monster and some of these other well-known companies. And they have case study of PayPal, how their results came out using UserZoom to test their products and their websites and stuff, right? So, all right, so then it comes down. So what we're doing now, let's get on to how we can make some money, right? What you want to do when you come to this website here is you want to come up here to the upper right and click up here where it says Join Our Panel. You see that? Right up here to the upper right. Join Our Panel. You click on that. That brings you over here to this site, IntelliZoom panel, which works with UserZoom. And then it says Your Opinion Matters, and get paid to share your experiences and make an impact on products that you love and care about or use on a regular basis, right? Such as PayPal, right? All right, it says here, get paid quickly and easily, saving up for something or looking for that bit of extra spending money. Join the people all over the world. So there you go, guys. Right there tells you that this can be done anywhere in the world. It's free to sign up. Doesn't cost a thing. All right? And make additional income by sharing your experiences. Influence product experiences. Make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use every day by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products, the companies, right? And then you can do it in your spare time. You got 15 to 20 minutes, it says, to spare. Giving feedback is easy. Participate in studies remotely on your schedule from home or on the go using your own device. Okay? And then come down here a little further, get feedback, get paid, it says here. Got questions, and we got answers here. All right, so let's go through these right here because it gives some pretty good information about how to work with this site. Okay? So it says, how quickly can I start taking studies? Well, it says as soon as you finish the registration process and answer 3 basic profiling questions, which have to do with demographics, basically. You know, what devices do you use, your experience on the internet, where you live at, those types of things. Okay, and then it says, how long are the studies going to be? Most studies take an average of 10 to 20 minutes to do. Alrighty? And then it says, how old do I have to be? It says here, all participants must be 18 years or older. U.S. citizens must be 21 years and older. Well, that kind of sucks for us here in the United States. You got to be 21. I guess we're not as smart as people in other countries here, so they want us to wait till we're 21 years old before we can sign up here. All right? I'm just having fun, guys. That's okay. But anyways, yeah, if you're over 18 or 21, you're good to go here. All right, so it says here, how many study invitations will I receive? Well, the number of opportunities you receive will depend on a number of factors. such as your demographics and your quality rating. So like the other sites I showed you in the other couple of videos last couple of days or so about these places like this, you have a rating. In other words, the higher your rating gets and the better you are at doing these testing for these companies, the more they will ask for you, and the more better tests that you'll get, and probably the more money you'll make as a part of that process too. Okay? All right, so, and then down here it says, how much money could I make? Well, payments depend on the complexity of the study. For studies that record think out loud audio and video, you can expect to make on $10 on average. Now, I can hear some of you saying, but Kevin, you told us that we can make $500 to $1,500 a month and make this into a full. How's that going to work on $10? Well, guys, just hang out there with me. Just hang in there with me. I'm going to show you here a little bit. All right? Just hang out. Bear with me. Okay? All righty. Now, it says for standard surveys, the payment is $2 on average. Okay? So hang out there with me. I'm going to get to this good part here in a moment. All right. It says, what do I need to participate in these studies? All you need is a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. Check that out. You can even use your phone with this company. And a reliable connection to Wi-Fi. Well, I'm going to tell you what. Wi-Fi is good, but it's not as stable a connection as a cabled connection. So if you have a computer or a laptop that you can connect up with an Ethernet cable and have a direct cable connection, that's going to be a much better connection than Wi-Fi. But Wi-Fi can be used, okay? It can be used. That's just something to think about. All right, now in a quiet place and the ability to download UserZoom's certified testing software and install it on your device. Okay? All right. And then it says, when do I get my money? That's what we're interested in, right? All right. Payments are sent out via PayPal within 21 business days after the completion of the study, once your results have been reviewed and approved. Most results are approved within 3 to 5 days. Then it says you will receive the payment in the same email you used to register. So, guys, probably it'd be easier, I would think, to use your email that you registered with PayPal to register with this company as well. Okay? Probably just make it easier, in that way you don't have to think, oh man, did I put the right email address in for my PayPal or whatever. Make sure it's the same email, that way you won't get confused or anything like that. Okay? Alright, so we've gone through the questions here, and so what we do is you're going to come back up here and this button right here where it says let's do this. I'm going to click on that button. And that brings us over here where they're going to ask you 5 questions. You're filling out your registration here. Of course, they're going to ask your first and last name, and then probably your email address. Make sure you put your PayPal email in there and use that for less confusion, right? And then they're going to ask you other things, probably your address, maybe your phone number, and so on and so forth. That's just to register with the site. And once you get registered, then you just log in, and then you can work, and you'll get sort of like a back office in your account there, and then you can do other settings in there and set yourself up on how you want to do. Maybe there's certain tests that they have or whatever that you can qualify for or take, or you can get rated on certain different categories and stuff. Then make yourself available to different companies for different testing or whatever. Something you'll just have to log in and check out for yourself. Okay? So anyways, that's how you get signed up for this company here. Now, that brings me to the bonus that I wanted to tell you here. I'm going to show you how you can make that $500 to $1,500 per month that I was telling you about, right? That you saw on my thumbnail that you clicked on here. All right. So, you're going to sign up with this site right here, right? That's about $10. Then, if you remember the last couple of days, I don't know if maybe most of you might not have seen my videos, but I did videos over the last week here of 3 other companies that do testing. Okay? This one right here, you want to come to my channel. and watch this video here. This has to do with Try My UI. $100 per week, 100% free, start today. This one here you want to watch as well. This is make $10 to $50 per day from anywhere in the world. Okay? And then this one over here is earn $50 to $100 per day, easy. These three places are all testing, website and product testing sites that you can sign up for free and work at from anywhere in the world. Now I'm going to tell you how you can make this into a full-time income and make anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per month. Let's say you join up here with UserZoom, right? Let's say you join up with the site I talk about here in this video. Make sure you come watch these videos on my channel. Come to the Freedom Motivator, Kevin Lehner Freedom Motivator channel. And make sure you watch this video right here. $100 per week, 100% free, start today. Make sure you watch this video here about this company. Make $10 to $50 per day from anywhere. And make sure you watch this one right here. Earn $50 to $100 per day, easy. These videos were made in the last week, including the one you're watching right now. You sign up for all of those and check this out. I got a bonus one for you too. This is the bonus I told you about in the beginning. Right here. Another site called User Testing. You see the address right here, usertesting.com. Same thing. They do testing on websites and products for big companies, big Fortune 500 companies. On this site, you can earn up to $60 per test. Okay? So that's the fifth site. Sign up with this site, usertesting.com, and do the same thing. You sign up for all 5 of those sites and work their tests that they give you. You'll be guaranteed to be so busy, probably you'll be getting tests out the rear end. You might need to have some help to keep up with it, be my guess, probably. But anyways, $10 and up with all 5 of those sites, and you're making anywhere between $500 and $1,500 a month. It's a full-time thing for you if you want, and you can do it from anywhere you want in the world with an internet connection and these sites, your accounts. Alrighty, and a computer, of course. Alrighty, guys, that's what I had for you today. This is the climax to the websites that I did videos on the last few days. Alrighty, guys, you can make some big money with this. I hope you guys get signed up and get some success out of this. Guys, like I said before, I put up nothing but value for you all on this channel and show you ways to make money and tools to help you make money and bring freedom into your life. Make sure to reach down there and hit that subscribe button if you didn't already, and then click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos. Also, give me a thumbs up if you got some value from this video. And don't forget to, if you want to see my #1 rated business and get out of the rat race, if you're on a job or you have a just over broke, like I like to call it, and you want to get a business of your own where you can make big money and free up your life completely, check that link out down there that you see at the top of your browser there, mentorwithkev.com. Click on that link, come over, get signed up, and begin to build your own business for less than a cup of Starbucks coffee, and start setting up yourself for financial freedom in your life today. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to comment down there in the comments if you like this video or you have any comments or ideas about it. And also, I'll let you go and see you again here in a few days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today, okay? Bye-bye now.